guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about what we found in our yard the other day. We found a parrot in our yard. All I know is I hear this loud noise, bird noise or whatever. So I came in the room and I was like, "You hearing that bird noise? Like what noise is that?" And my husband was like, "Yeah, that is a parrot. That's a parrot." So I was like, a parrot? In my mind, I was like a parrot. So I walked back out into the kitchen and I still hearing the song, but the song singing so close and the bird keep making noise over and over and over. So I decided to open the door and go outside. When I went outside now, I find this parrot on the line. So I ran back inside and told him that it have a parrot in the yard. So a little while after, he got up, got dressed, and went outside. And he went up to it, and so I was like, how it reached there, if it's somebody own, whatever, whatever. So he's saying that belongs to somebody. So I asked him, how he know that? How he know that? And he said, I think he said it can fly or something. So I asked him if the wings ship or something, and he said it can't fly. So and that same time, since it was somebody parrot, we decided to just leave it on the line because we did not know who it belonged to, and we don't know if we put it up online if the person will see that is theirs. You know how some people like to be like, you know what, that is mine, so they might come for it and it isn't theirs. So we didn't want that to happen. So I told my husband, you know what, let's just leave it on the line. Let's just leave it there and hopefully, and if it can't fly or anything, obviously it came from somewhere, somebody close or somebody nearby or something, because it can't fly. So obviously it came from somewhere close. So I said, let's just leave it on the line and whoever own it will somehow end up seeing it and come for it. So as days pass now, I will put up clips of the parrot that we took, and yeah. So days went by. Throughout these days that were going by, we actually like fed the parrot. We fed it water, we fed it rice and milk, we fed it bread and milk. I think the last thing I fed it was like black eyed peas, and it was actually peeling. You know how black eyed peas have the little skin on it? It was actually peeling off the skin off of the black eyed peas and eating the inside. So that was kind of cool to watch. And yeah, and also throughout the days I came outside, it was actually walking on the ground. It was walking on the ground. Some other days I thought the person finally took it or it went back home, walked back home or something. But then I started back hearing it again, and so on and so on. I think after about 5 days, I heard like the person came for it finally. I didn't went outside because what I was doing, I can't remember what I was doing. But but at that time I was in a position where I couldn't go outside at that particular moment. So I just heard the person calling it and saying, come here, and stuff like that. So the person took his part and all was well. So that was actually great because you see, um it's a good thing I decided to go that route instead of posting it up on social media. Best thing to do. Yes. So it's a good thing I decided to just leave it outside and the person would come back and see it. I already knew that that would happen. So it's just thinking. It's just thinking. And I didn't want to bring it inside for people to say, oh, you know that person steal the person parrot and ting ting ting. I don't want to be no animal thief or whatever people just call it. But I am so glad that the parrot is back with its owner and everything is well. So yeah. Yeah guys, so I'll put up clips now and you guys can see it now. Watch it straight through. Okay guys, you just saw the clips. It's a beautiful parrot. I think my husband said it is a female. I don't know. I don't know about parrot. I actually want one, but I want one from baby. And I want to be able to leave it loose and leave it let go so it could just be on the trees in the yard or something. When we get our yard, I want it to just be on the trees and free. I will just like put food for it or whatever it will eat and go back on the tree or wherever. So, or hand it food, hand it fruits, whatever it might want. And yeah, so that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Woo! It is so cute. Anyway guys, see you later. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Peace.